Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CCCL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question, quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that, yeah, the price made a really nice move today when you consider where it opened up and then where the price ultimately closed. Any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price definitely did make a very nice move on the day. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $1.70. Why is $1.70 important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. I agree. So with that in mind, think about $1.70. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that big old range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Or let's say something like this occurred, not saying it will, but let's say a pretty drastic pullback happened, came all the way down here. However, in this situation, price behaved in that manner before starting to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down there. So even after a very drastic pullback, what would you still have? Well, you'd still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I am just defining progress again as the $1.70 mark. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are, nothing complicated here other than the fact that the party stopped today right up around $2.20. So that'll be the public enemy number one going forward. Good news there is, assuming there's no gap downs or anything, the price very well has a realistic chance to at least go up there and do battle with that area again and potentially get the breakout. But all in all, at least in my opinion, top priority right now is not necessarily breaking resistance levels, but more so just going through some healthy consolidations and starting to chip away with higher bases. But anyway, look at it. Very nice move today. We'll see if the price can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.